The man himself. Welcome to James Noble Law Lockdown HQ. As you can see, we're together, but working by electronic means. And we just wanted to sort of get some messages out to our clients and other people who might be worried under the current COVID-19 restrictions on moving around and meeting with people. We've been hit with a lot of questions over the past couple of weeks about how things are progressing in the courts, how things should be handled with respect to parenting and parenting orders and changeovers with children. We're going to address those in a series of these online recordings. Just to give you a little bit of an idea of how we've been working, all of our staff have always been set up to be able to work remotely, but now we're meeting remotely. We'll have a meeting in the mornings on Microsoft Teams, and we'll go away, do our work, and we're in contact whenever we need to be using these sorts of electronic means. And at the end of the day, we're having a debrief and getting ready to get into it the following day. How have you been finding it?
Charles, it's been working out quite well. I've been able to be in direct contact with our clients either by email, telephone. Yeah. If we require a face-to-face meeting, we have a Zoom, which I've got. We also have our Microsoft team, and they can be joined as a member of that team. That way we can see our clients, we're talking directly to them, and that way the communication is quite good, and we're able to get very good instructions from them. But otherwise, doing it by email is working out. I've really had no difficulties in adapting to this, although I do miss the social contact of being in an office and having people around. That's one thing I do miss. We're in total isolation here, my wife and I, so we have no outside contact. It's only by telephone, and sometimes people leaving things for us outside our door, but that's about it. But otherwise, things are working out quite well. How are you finding it, Charles?
Yeah, well, it's really it's business as usual for the most part. But what I do want to talk about in this series is how we've been attending mediations by video and by using the Zoom format. How we've been attending at court for the past couple of weeks for mentions and hearings and that sort of thing. But this really allows us, and we've been doing it in the past, to have contact with clients from all over the world who need help with their Australian family law matters. So we look forward to answering some of these questions and getting some information out to everybody. And we'll be back. We'll be back very shortly. If you do want to get in contact with us, we have a phone number. It's 1-800-662-535. If you have any specific questions or need help with your particular family law matter. We look forward to bringing you more in the very near future.
Thanks for that, Charles.
Okay, we'll sign up.